All right, good morning, everyone. I am back bringing you another video, and today it's going to be a short one, but I'm very, very excited for it. I feel bad, but come on, man. Today we are switching out these ugly things. We are changing these things for these beautiful things. I mean, they're not very beautiful right now. They're all kinds of crusty, but still, we're putting those bad Jacksons on here today, back on my summer setup. I made a video on these not that long ago when I first got them. These are 18 by 8.5 with a plus 35 offset. They're the Option Lab R716. And the tire is the General G-Max RS. It's not the all-season, it's the actual performance summer tire. Looks like that. Great tire, honestly. They've lasted 2 seasons already, and I still could get probably another season and a half or 2 out of them. So yeah. All right, they are on, and they're looking crusty. But let's have a quick fitment check. Look at that. It's like almost perfectly flush. It's looking good, man. It's looking good. And the suspension hasn't settled yet because I just lifted the car, so it won't ride that high. This would be atrocious. It definitely rides lower than that, so we're looking good. I'm gonna hit the other side, and then I'll show you the final. All right, you guys, all the tires are on, and the car hasn't settled yet. I haven't moved it yet. But this is the other side. It's looking good. It'll look nice and flush when it finally, settles. So I'm going to get all these guys, all my old ones, which, by the way, if you're going to do this, I always like to put a label on them. I just take paper towel and tape it down. But I labeled them for a rotation. I never rotated them that winter. So I labeled them for a rotation. I'm going to put these guys back in storage, and then we're going to take this thing for a spin and get those nasty things cleaned up. Alright, as you can see, we got that pesky little TPMS light on now. So, just in case you guys don't know, these cars do not have sensors in the wheel. Their sensor, I think, is built into the wheel speed sensor. So you're going to go to settings. I believe it's system. I lied. Disregard. You're going to go into the settings. You're going to go into vehicle. And then right at the top, TPMS calibration. Going to click that. Click calibrate. It'll do its thing. Calibration started, and then once that calibration started goes away, good to go. You can see the light is off now, so heck yeah. Hey guys, we made it to the local car wash, and I forgot how good the fitment on these wheels is. The back is a little bit better than the front. I'm not sure why, but I'm on the factory alignment, and my wheel specs are 18 by 8.5 with a plus 35 offset. Yeah, so I have that wheel size and a 245 45 19 tire, and that's square setup. So if you guys are striving for a fitment, something similar to that, that's what you got to go with. Anyway, I'm gonna clean these guys up. I'll give you a final shot of what it looks like all cleaned up. All right, you guys, she's all washed up and clean. This is the cleanest I've seen it in a long time, and these wheels look incredible when they're clean. I forgot how freaking good this car looked with its nice wheels. Look at that, just the stance is just so perfect. Like if I just, look at that, whoa, that was lightning. Yeah, we're supposed to get some pretty severe weather, but fuck it, I'll be fine, right? All right, anyway, I'm gonna end this video and head home before the, quote, tornado. What is going on? Jesus. Anyway, I'm gonna get home before the tornado-esque weather comes in. We're supposedly supposed to get some severe, almost tornado-like weather, and it's really windy and warm right now. Warmer than it's been in months. So maybe we will, but who knows. Anyway, I'm gonna get home and avoid this weather. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Have a great rest of your day.